Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting each stainless steel earring for loose stones or weak clasps. This prevents damage while cleaning. Once checked, mix warm water with a few drops of mild liquid soap in a bowl and place a tray underneath to catch studs and backs. Submerge the earrings for 1 to 2 minutes to loosen oils and debris, then gently agitate them with your fingers. Make sure to have a soft toothbrush ready so you can start scrubbing detailed areas next. Now you focus on the detailed work. Hold the earring over the bowl and use a soft toothbrush to scrub seams, posts, and backs. This dislodges trapped oils and buildup. If grime persists, make a 1:1 paste of baking soda and water, apply sparingly with the brush, and work it into tight spots. Baking soda lifts residue without harsh abrasion. Once done, rinse under warm running water while inspecting under light. Make sure there's no paste or soap left in. You finish by patting each earring dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Then let them air dry on the tray for at least 10 minutes to ensure all moisture evaporates. Once dry, buff gently with a jewelry cloth to restore shine. This step reduces water spots and prevents skin irritation. If you encounter persistent discoloration or trapped dirt, repeat the cleaning steps or use a jewelry-grade cleaner sparingly. If problems continue, check for damage or consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.